how are you? I hope you all are well at home and enjoying the studies. So student, as you know that today's video is based on the revision because today is your GK test of the chapter 14 My Feelings and the chapter 15 Space Exploration and also the chapter 16 First in the World. So student, as you know that your test will be taken through online links which you will find in class group. So student, after attending your test, you don't forget to click on the submit button to submit your test paper. So student, attend your test with full honesty. So let's get started from the chapter 14 My Feelings. In chapter 14 My Feelings, in this chapter we have learned about the feelings. So student, let's see in your book. Here in this chapter, here is a girl named Ria. She has many feelings. Sometimes she feels happy. Sometimes she feels sad. At times she feels nervous too. So here in this chapter there are many situations. Each situation show a feeling. So look at the picture and write the dialogue. Read the dialogue and write the feelings expressed. So student, first feeling of the Ria is that Ria says, my mother gave me this lovely present. For example, if you will get any present from anyone, so what will you feel? You will feel happiness. So first feeling is that happiness. Next one is, Ria says that, oh, I forget to do my homework. So for example, when you will forget to do your work, so what will your feeling? So your feeling will be worry. So here is Ria also worry about her homework. So third one is, Ria says that I came first in the race. So Ria participated in race and he got the first prize. So what's her feeling? Her feeling is pride. She feels pride. And fourth one is, Ria says that how will I speak in front of so many children? So here Ria participated in any activities. So he thought that how will I speak in front of so many children? So the feeling of Ria is nervousness. In these situations, the feeling of the Ria is nervousness. Fifth one is, Ria says that, oh, I'm so frightened. So Ria says a awful animal and then she said that I am so frightened. So the feeling of the Ria will be fear. So student, sixth one is, oh, I have lost my doll. So here Ria is so sad and because she has lost her doll. So the feeling of the Ria will be sadness. The feeling of the Ria will be sadness. So let's see the student revision of chapter 15. It's space exploration. Space exploration. So the search for various objects in outer space is called space exploration. Human-made satellites are sent into space for space exploration. The Indian space program is driven by the vision of Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, considered as the father of Indian space program. So students, let's read out the description and see the name of this personality. And this first question is that, first Indian astronaut in space and the member of Indo-Soviet space program. So he is Rakesh Sharma. And next one is, second woman of Indian origin to go into space, and she once held a world record for females with 4 space practical to put a 35-kilogram satellite named Rohini into orbit around the Earth. It is SLV-3. India's unmanned satellite to orbit around the moon. It is Chandrayaan-1. First Indian weather communication satellite. It is INSAT-1A. And first Indian remote sensing satellite is IRS-1A. So students, let's see the revision of the chapter 16 first in the world. In this chapter we will learn about the personalities whose was the first in the world. So students, first European invader of India, that is Alexander the Great. Second one is first foreigner to receive Bharat Ratna. He was Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. And the third one is the first man to make a solo flight around the world. He was Billy Post. And the fourth one is the first Pope to visit India. He was Pope Paul VI. The first speaker in Hindi at the United Nations UN was Atal Bihari Vajpayee. The first man to set foot on the moon was Neil Armstrong. The first woman pilot to circle the globe, he was Jerry Moore. And the first woman to swim across the English Channel was Gertrude Ederle. The first woman to travel the South Pole alone, he was Liv Unsane. In this video, we have revised the chapter 14, My Feelings, chapter 15, Space Exploration, and also the chapter 16, First in the World. So students, watch this video perfectly and give the best in your test. So students, all the best for your test. Thank you.